want to talk a little bit about the important role of these studies and how regulated they are. So, the FDA really oversees these studies. So the studies, for example, in schools of medicine across the country, including at UC Davis, have regulatory bodies within our school, regulatory bodies within a broader called Central IRB. They oversee all of the enrollment criteria, safety. There's a data safety monitoring board, which is an external body, and then there's the FDA. And so that's what makes these research studies, whether it's COVID or anything else, so safe. The other thing is there's lots of safety visits built into these. So, if I go to the doctor and I just see a doctor and they give me a regular drug and they say, oh, okay, I'll see you back in 6 months. Let's say I'm a neurologist and say it's for epilepsy or migraine or whatever. You try this, I'll see you back in 6 months. Let me know how you're doing. In a research study, it's completely different. They give you a drug and then you're seen back sometimes 2, 4, 6 weeks. You have lots of visits. Many times now they're virtual, lots of check-in, lots of blood draws. So there's a lot of supervision. I would venture to say that the quality of care that you get in a research study and the intensity of oversight that you get in a research study, particularly a phase 2 and phase 3, which are leading to FDA approval, is probably far better than you get just in a routine doctor's visit. There's just so much regulation and so much oversight. And that's why I really think it's really important for people to volunteer for trials. In fact, we have electronic study pages that you can volunteer for clinical trials across any disease, not just COVID.
So the more people that you enroll, the sooner you're going to get your answer. But most of these studies are 20 to 30,000. And remember, it's not just big numbers to detect effectiveness, but we really want those big numbers because we want to be sure that we're convinced that the vaccines are safe. So we want to make sure that there's enough people who are studied that we're confident that there's no rare serious adverse effects, because we're planning on giving this vaccine to every single person, healthy people. So the bar is set very high that we don't want to make healthy people sick by giving them a vaccine with serious adverse effects. We want to make sure that these vaccines are safe. So we need big numbers so that we're confident in that.